welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and now TikTok. I've got links for all my social media accounts, affiliate links, discount codes, everything of that nature in the description box below. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could follow me there, check those out, use them as needed. That would be awesome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some items that I purchased from the online store called Uoobox. Uoobox. I don't know how to pronounce it. I always read it as Uoobox, like I kind of imagine like Zeno-sama from Dragon Ball Super just going like Anyways, this store, this is the one that I ordered from. I ordered a couple things because their stuff is super cute. So if you guys want to see my unboxing, my first impressions, my review, my everything, all of that, then please keep on watching. How did I hear about this company? Probably from Instagram. They're kind of similar to like Uoobox, Anibu, Pastel Loves. Like they're just like very kawaii, Japanese inspired type of store. And they had a contest, it was a while ago now. It was their Thanksgiving giveaway. And I can't remember, first, second, and third place were like you win a bunch of clothing, so on and so forth, down to like 6th place, I think. There were a lot of different prizes, whatever, it doesn't really matter. I came in 6th place, which was a $15 gift card to their store, which is not very much to be honest, but whatever, it was 6th place, so like fine. But when they messaged me to tell me that I won 6th place, they gave me a code, like my own code for that, but it's only valid for 30 days. So I had a month to redeem this code. It's not a lot of time personally. I feel like the code could have been just valid indefinitely and I would have bought something eventually. I don't know. I think it's like, personally, I think it's kind of shady when companies give you a discount code, like unless it's a promotion thing for like, you know, Thanksgiving or Black Friday or like something like that. Then I get, obviously, that it's like a time sensitive thing. But if they give you a gift card that you won in a contest, it should not be valid for only a month. I think that's kind of shady, personally. Anyways, whatever. I thought their stuff was super cute. So I used my gift card within, or like my code within 30 days. So, okay, anyways, whatever. I ordered it on Boxing Day. It arrived February 7th. So 6 weeks. 6 weeks is really not bad for a package coming from China to Canada. I feel like that's pretty standard. Now, what I found really interesting is when I paid for this, the company name that showed up in my bank statement, and I can't remember if it showed up on their website as well, but it was like Uoobox DE or something like that. I'm like, you mean like Germany? Like Deutschland? So I thought, oh, maybe they're a German company? I don't know. They're definitely not from an English-speaking country, because there are some like grammatical mistakes in their captions for their Instagram posts, and even just the message they sent me to tell me that I won the contest. It was in, like, it was in okay English, but it was clear that English isn't their first language. But turns out they're a Chinese company, or at least their stuff is coming from China. I don't really know where their headquarters is. Anyways, that's enough background. Let's open this up. So it just came in this like plain shipping envelope. We have a description of the contents. It says the total value is $5.45, which is definitely not what I paid for it, but that's probably what it's worth. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first item is this really cute chain necklace. It's like a choker. Let's just cut you open. Alright, so it is a faux leather material. Feels pretty nice. And then we have this metal chain with a little heart on it. Looks kind of fake. It's got like a rhinestone in the center that looks super fake. I feel like, okay, really, I bought this for pictures, let's be honest. So for pictures, I think it'll probably be fine. It looks okay on camera. In person, I mean, it looks okay, it just looks fake. And I feel like that's probably because the metal is colored this like dark gunmetal gray color rather than just like standard silver. I feel like if it was silver, it might look a little more real, but I'm just being super critical. Ooh, it's got a really chemical-y smell. Holy, okay. All right, so it's a little bit big on me, but I also have a really small neck, I guess. So I have it on the tightest like snap, and it's still a little roomy, but oh, this is so cute. Okay, next, what I came here for, when I originally heard about this company, this is what I planned to order even before the contest happened. Like, I was just waiting for some kind of discount code because they were like a little, I remember them being a little pricier than what I wanted to spend. I don't remember if that's true. Anyways, oh my god, these are so cute. These are plaid pants, so they come in like a nice zippered, kind of like a Ziploc kind of bag. My stuff from Uoobox, and I'll link that video somewhere, also came in similar bags. This is really good for storing stuff actually. Oh, that's an interesting material. It's like legging material. It feels very stretchy, which is good because I'm worried that these pants won't fit me. So there's a tag on here. It says Uoobox Aesthetics Fashion. Uoobox Aesthetics. We have the brand, we have the level. It says to wash by hand, do not bleach, blah blah blah. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm not sure if these are gonna fit. Second of all, these are like not the type of material that I thought. I thought they'd be like stiff, not quite as stiff as like dress pants, but I kind of thought they were a bit more like that. And these are just leggings with flared pant legs. I mean, they're super cute. I'm gonna try them on, but a little confused. Okay, I'm gonna try these on and then I'll show you my outfit, so just hold on. So the choker, it's really cute, it's really comfortable, not a whole lot I can say about it, it looks really good. The pants are super comfy, way comfier than I expected actually. They're very stretchy, they literally just feel like you're wearing leggings. Standing up, sitting down, all very comfortable. I am a US or Canadian size 6, and I ordered a large to be safe because my Uoobox order, the plaid skirt, which you can check out that video to see what I'm talking about, the plaid skirt that I ordered, I think I might have ordered a medium, which should have fit me, and that was like, it barely fit me, so I sized up to a large. It seemed to like fall within my measurements, leaving some extra room, so I'm glad I ordered a large. I think if I had ordered a medium, it would have been too small, but keep in mind that if you are larger than a size 6, the large will still be too small for you. Judging based on these pants alone, the store seems to only really cater to like people who are in the small to medium range, which is unfortunate for anyone, you know, plus size, or even just anyone who falls within the larger range of sizing, I guess. Just keep that in mind. The pants themselves, so they look like they would be a little bit darker in the picture, but I'm really happy with the way that these look. Super cute. I love the pastel lavender, and I love the yellow accents in the plaid. I think it's very flattering, very cute. I'm not sure about the cut of them on me. My bottom half, specifically like my butt, hips, thighs, are the largest part of my body, and an area that it's not like I hide it, but I try and wear clothing that doesn't emphasize that area. And I feel like just the cut of these pants tends to bring more attention to that area and honestly makes my thighs look bigger than they actually are. And that might just be because the cut is sort of uniform from the thigh area down to the bottom. It's kind of all one width rather than tapering inward towards like as you get down to the knees. So because of that, I feel like it makes my thighs look super big. I don't know if I love that. I'll have to see. As far as the thickness, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up in this video, but when I tried them on, they are a little bit see-through, not too badly see-through, but if you're wearing colored underwear, you can see them through. So best to wear something nude or, you know, maybe a thong or something like that. But very stretchy. I feel like other pants that I wear, like if I tuck a shirt in, you can see like every single line. You can see panty line, you can see everything. And I feel like these are a bit more forgiving, and maybe because they're sitting a little bit looser on me, but I like that there is a bit of smoothing that's happening. I'd actually like to wear these to work because they're really comfortable. I can see myself definitely sitting for 8+ hours in these and feeling good. Like they feel like pajamas, honestly. They feel really nice. So because I have the space buns going on, I've got the choker, I've got the plaid, I felt like this was a really 90s inspired look. So I added some black chunky heeled platform boots. These are from Forever 21. And I also am wearing some really wild duochrome shift press-on nails. These are Revlon. I thought it would really go with that sort of 90s, not like psychedelic, but like that 90s kind of vampy, witchy vibe. I thought it would work really well, and it sort of matches, like the blue and the purple shifts in them kind of match the purple of these pants, so I don't know, thought it was cute. So that is everything. I'll just do a quick final thoughts. So the choker, I think it's really cute. It's really flattering. It adds a really nice sort of gothic, vampy vibe to really any look that you pair it with. It's black, so it matches everything. I've been wearing it now for about an hour. It's pretty comfortable. The only thing is it's kind of like rubbing a little bit against my neck, getting a little irritated now. That might be just like the edges of this faux leather are kind of stiff, so it just kind of digs into me a little bit, but other than that, it's not too bad. This like metal isn't irritating my skin or anything, and usually I'm very sensitive to that. The pants. Let's talk about the pants. These pants are so comfy. It feels like I'm wearing pajamas. They're not the most flattering pants that I own. I mentioned this before, but I feel like the cut of them doesn't super flatter my legs. I feel like if anything, it draws more attention to my thighs, makes them look bigger, makes my whole bottom half look kind of chunkier. And I tried to pair these pants with high heels or like platforms, because usually that kind of slims my bottom half if there's something that's sort of drawing attention to it, but I feel like that didn't even help all that much. They're really cute, so I will still keep them, but I just wish that the cut was a little bit more flattering for people who are like curvier in their lower half. Also, obviously, I wish that there was more of a range of sizes, because like I'm a pretty small person. Like my bottom half is the largest part of me, but in general I'm a pretty small person. Like I'm 5 feet and I wear a US or Canadian size 6, and I'm a large, so anyone pretty much like bigger than me, even people taller than me, will definitely struggle buying things from the store, unfortunately. So it would be great if these types of companies could also cater to a wider range of body types. That would be awesome. Yeah, I guess that's about all I have to say. I think I give the choker a 4.5 out of 5. Pretty solid 4.5 out of 5. It's nice, it looks a little cheap, and it's not the most comfortable when you've been wearing it for several hours. The pants, I think the pants I'd also give a 4.5 out of 5, just because the cut wasn't the most flattering on me, but they are very comfortable, and the print is very cute. Pretty happy with the quality of these items, pretty happy with the communication from the store. My order was confirmed immediately, and then I was given a tracking number pretty soon after that. I was able to check back and get information. So all in all, definitely do recommend this store. And unfortunately, if you're, within a certain size range. But yeah, I had a pretty positive experience with the store. Definitely recommend buying from them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about my choker, about my pants, just about this whole look and this whole outfit overall. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video.